What's up guys, it's Maham. So in this video I will be showing you how I sculpted this nail using only cornstarch and clear nail polish. What? So the very first thing I did was I went ahead and buffed my thumb, and yep, I'm using my thumb because I didn't want to mess up my other nails had this gone south, but it actually worked pretty well, so it was fine. Next I will be applying the No Lift Nails Professional Primer just because I've seen a lot of videos and no one really used primer, but I kind of wanted to see if this lasts a long time. Next, because I'm going to be using acrylic tips, I'm going to first just apply some nail glue underneath the tip and then a little bit to the bottom portion of my nail. Here I am just firmly pressing that down on my nail and holding it for about 10 seconds. Now I'm going to be applying a gel primer to the top portion of my nail, and on top of that I'll be applying a gel base coat just so there is sort of a bond to where the fake nail meets my actual nail. After curing that, I'm going to go ahead and get out my cornstarch. This is just regular cornstarch. I did move it to a smaller container so it would actually fit in the frame. But yeah, I just got this from Walmart, and this is the top coat I'm going to be using. I've seen people use clear nail polish. I don't actually use clear nail polish, so I just use top coat. And anyways, the very first time I tried this, see I said first time because it didn't go so well, my train of thought was that I could just apply clear polish or top coat and then dip it into the cornstarch, how they do like next gen nails. But as you can see, when I took my nail out, it was really uneven and the cornstarch didn't even like stick to the polish very much. And after I dusted off the excess, all that was left was really gooey clear polish, and a little bit of cornstarch stuck to it. So this time I tried it again, but I first dipped my nail into the cornstarch and then I applied my clear polish, and this worked a lot better because once the clear polish actually touched the cornstarch, it kind of turned into this acrylic mixture and it was a lot easier to work with. Now I did miss a few places on my nail, so I'm just fixing that with some more cornstarch and again putting the clear top coat. Once I have sculpted the nail to my liking, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up around the sides of my nail with some angled eyeliner brush because the cornstarch did kind of get everywhere. Here I'm just trying to get rid of that cornstarch. So I applied some blue gel polish off camera. I went ahead and now I'm just drilling my nail with a nail drill to kind of smooth it out, because while the cornstarch did apply pretty easy, it did leave some bumps on my nail, which was kind of disappointing, but I got rid of them pretty fast. After cleansing my nail with some alcohol, I'm just going to go ahead and apply top coat. And this is the final look. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more acrylic nail art, you can follow me on Instagram at Maham's Nails. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!